Hello and welcome to Code with Utpal. In this video, we will go over the Alfresco SDK, how to use it, what is the best way to create extensions. So Alfresco SDK gives us a template to create Alfresco extensions. This is helpful in keeping our projects in well-structured manner, and this will help us create a, an extension that will stay outside of Alfresco code base. So whenever new versions of upgraded version of Alfresco comes in, we can deploy our project once we are satisfied with the upgrade. So basically, this will be totally isolated project from Alfresco's out of the box project. So let us see how we can use it. Let us go through the demonstration, how we can make use of it. So in order to use Alfresco SDK, we will be requiring some prerequisites, like some sets of softwares we have to install. One will be like Java Development Kit, JDK 11 or above. So I'll be using Java 17, Maven version 3.3 and above. Docker is when we use containerized platform. So if we want to use containerized, we can make use of Docker. So I'm using Docker desktop, but I will try to show how to use without Docker also. That is simple deployment. So we can make use of both. So let's see how we can take it forward. If I first I want to show Docker and then without Docker. Let me see what I have. I want to show you what I have. So I have Java. So I have latest one is 24, but 17 or 11 is fine. Then I'm using Maven. So I'm using 3.9.9. So 3.3 is the minimum requirement. And I'm using Docker desktop also for containerized platform. Container runtime is my Docker desktop for Windows, or you can use Docker runtime if you have Mac or Linux. So let's see how we can create Alfresco SDK template project with the help of Maven commands. So let us see the command that we will be running. Our first command that we will be using is, this is you can go through this document. This is very nice document to show you how you can create Maven archetype. Step-by-step process has been described. So you can see here in the GitHub also, or you can go to Alfresco documentation also, has the same documentation. It's a better explanation in here. So you can read one of them, or you can see first you can create very simple extension project with the demonstration that I am showing. Maybe this will be helpful to start. Then you can go through deep dive and make your own projects or one extension, complicated logic and everything. So let us create very first template. So I'm going to my favorite folder or wherever I want to create this particular extension project. And then I'm running this command. Yeah. So this, after this command, it will ask you which type of template you want to create. Whether you want to create like this is deprecated, so we are not going to choose that anyways. We are not doing that. So we have option of number 2 is it will be all-in-one archetype simple multi-module project for all-in-one development on the Alfresco platform. Includes modules for platform repository jar and share jar. So this is one option we have, number 2. Another we have, number 3 is repository amps only. Another number 4 we have again Alfresco platform jar archetype simple project with full support for lifecycle and rapid development of platform jar and amps both. So I'm creating a sample jar approach for now. So I'm going with the option number 2. We can explore all of these one by one, but for now you can create one, and then you will understand that how the structure is, and then you can definitely do as per your requirement. Now it is asking which SDK version we want to use. I'm going with, because I'm creating a fresh project. I don't have any other dependency, so I will go with number 34, choice number 34, which is 4.13 SDK version. So now it will ask you to create a group ID. I say my company dot, sorry, com dot my company is a group ID. Then I say my company custom project, and it is suggesting the package name. I go with com.my company, and then yes, I create it. That's it. So it is now created. I can go to this folder and see what has been created. So this is my project. This is Maven project. Everything is in here. So I want to open this on my Eclipse. So I import that project in my Eclipse workspace. Use existing Maven project. I choose that. I am using, yes, I'm going to, yes, this one. Yeah, so my project has been imported onto Eclipse workspace. If you see, one is platform project, which is like repo project, server side, or you can call it Alfresco side. Another is a share side. Share side is like user interface side. So some projects don't need shares because they don't want to use share. Some companies or some enterprise use uh, both. So you can use only Alfresco, or if you, as per your requirement. So I created both. So in that case, I will show you. It's a bundle, kind of. I got a bundle, how to use it. So this is a template project. Now I go and explore how it is. So it is just a Maven project. It has done some custom sample also. So it has created a web script for me. And here in the share side, okay, so here I want to create one simple JavaScript web script for my demonstration. So here I will create a site web script. I want to create a web script here, maybe com example. I say I want to create one folder here. So I will discuss in detail how to create web scripts and all. So that will be coming in my next video or upcoming videos. But this is just I want to demonstrate, and you can definitely explore how to create it. But for now, this is enough for you to get started. So I'm creating one folder, say. So this is how the structure is. It is already defined, or you can see how the surf pages are structured. We will discuss this in later videos, how to do this. But this is not a video on how to create surf pages or how to extend, create, add custom share pages. So I'm not going in detail of that. So here I want to create I need three files. I'll create three files like one, I name it hello dot get dot bsc dot xml. I want to save some time. I already kept all these ready. So this is my web script description file. So this is I'm creating web script at share web script. Similarly, already I got one web script created by the Maven template. So this is already there, so I will not create anymore here. So here I'm creating one. So I need a description file. Then I need yeah. So one html.ftl and one JavaScript file I need. This is just to show the changes will be reflected onto my new project. So that's what I'm doing it here. Yeah. So I'm just creating a simple web script which will which URL will be /hello, and the HTML is just it will display the message that it received from this module. So this is trying to this is these three combined create one web script. So now I want to see how this goes to extension. So basically this is my extension project. There is nothing Alfresco share here. So when I run this Docker command, how it works, that we want to see first. So if you see here, in this project, we have run.batch file, run.sh file. So based on your environment, you can use. So I'm on Windows. I'm running run.batch file. So if I run, so it shows me what are the parameters that I need to pass. Build and start. So all these are here. So what I want to do with the run command. So I am going to build and start the project. So I want to do both. So it will start Tomcat. First it will build the project and then it will start the Tomcat. So this environment actually make use of containerized Docker desktop. So Docker runtime, basically Docker runtime will be used to launch the project. So if I say run.batch and build Please note, I will pause the video and I will. You don't have to see the logger scrolling. I'll come back when the everything is ready. Okay, so my project is now ready. Server has been started. I can go and check. So this is what this run command does. It creates and launches a Tomcat server, everything in the containerized platform. So basically, I did not do anything. It pulls the Alfresco image, share image, and then Tomcat. Everything has been done. So I just need to see whether my changes has been deployed or not. So my target is to see my changes are available or not. If I go here and say I want to see, yeah, it shows Alfresco has been started. I go and see Alfresco server. So basically this is repo side. Now if I want to see my services, I go and see service. And if I browse all that has been that is created, so I want to see only my changes, so I don't. This is my simple web script. So if I access this, I see the message coming. So this is my changes in the repo side. And if I see the server side, so here the share has been deployed to a different port. So this is a share service index. So here I want to see whether my custom web script available or not. So I gave the URL as /hello. It says /hello is available. Yeah, if I access this, yeah, so I'm seeing this changes. So this share side script can be accessed through share page or share. I think share service should also work. Yes, so this is also available. So in order to keep this video short, I wanted to show how you can create the template project with the help of these commands, or you can follow this one of these documents. Then you get template project, and you can work on your custom scripts or pages or any development you want to do. Keep the project separate from Alfresco's core distribution, and then you can launch your changes there so that it will never have the conflict with it. Or you can override also, but those things are rare scenarios that you want to override one page or the other. But you definitely needs customization according to your business needs. Please follow the next video. In the next video, I will show you, if you are not doing in the Docker environment, you are doing normal deployment onto your server. So how can you achieve that? So I want to do that in next video. I want to keep the videos shorter. Hope you liked it. Subscribe to the channel. I will keep posting videos where I try to discuss whatever possible. What if you have any questions that you want to discuss, or you want me to discuss any specific use cases on related to Alfresco or any other thing, let me know. I will try to make a video on that particular topic. Thank you so much. Keep sharing, keep subscribing. Thank you for watching.